CanvasJS customization, themes, colors, and beyond. In this tutorial, we're diving into the world of CanvasJS and how to make your charts look stunning. Why settle for the default look when you can customize those charts to fit your unique style? Let's jump in and get creative. CanvasJS offers 4 pre-built themes to quickly style your charts: Light 1, Light 2, Dark 1, and Dark 2. These themes provide a solid foundation, whether you're aiming for a clean, bright look or something sleek and dark. But why stop there? With CanvasJS, you can go beyond the defaults and fully customize your charts, from colors to fonts. Let's explore how to tailor these themes to your needs and create a chart that truly reflects your style. Let's start with a quick code snippet to set the stage. First, we'll use the light theme for our chart. CanvasJS requires 2 main parameters: chart container and chart options. The chart container refers to the ID of the container where the chart will be rendered, while chart options include settings like theme, title, and data. In this example, we're setting the theme to Light 1. Let's explore customizing colors next. A little pop of color can make a huge difference. CanvasJS allows you to customize the color of every chart element. You can change the color of the data points, title, axis labels, and even the background. To do this, simply use the color property. Experiment with different color combinations to make your charts more visually appealing and engaging. Let your data shine. Let's take your charts further with dynamic colors. You can set the color of data points based on their values. For example, make high values stand out with a warm color and low values with a cooler tone. This helps to visually highlight trends in your data. Let's make your chart even more interactive. CanvasJS allows you to customize tooltips, axis labels, and grid lines. Tooltips help viewers get detailed info when hovering over data points, and customizing axis labels can make your chart more readable. You can even adjust grid lines for a cleaner look. Let's take your chart's appearance even further by customizing fonts. With CanvasJS, you can control the font family, font style, and font weight of key elements like titles, axis labels, and index labels in data points. Proper font choices can make a huge difference in readability and visual appeal. Let's explore how to refine your chart's typography to create a more professional and cohesive design. Let's dive into customizing individual elements, starting with title and subtitles. Titles and subtitles are important as they provide context to your chart. You can customize font family, font style, font weight, font size, and font color for both titles and subtitles. Don't forget padding for extra space around the title, which helps prevent text from feeling cramped. Subtitles are also highly customizable, adding more context beneath the main title. Now, let's focus on the axis labels and titles. Customizing these can improve readability and make your chart look more organized. You can adjust the font size, font color, and padding to give your axis titles more emphasis. Rotate axis labels using the label angle option if the text is too long to fit. These changes help create a well-structured chart that's easier to interpret, especially with a large dataset or complex labels. Next, let's customize the data points. Each data point represents the key information in your chart, so giving them some personality can make your chart more engaging. You can change the color for visual differentiation, set a specific marker type, like circle, square, or triangle, and adjust the marker size. To enhance the effect, you can even add border color and border thickness to highlight certain data points. This makes each data point stand out. Let's talk about tooltips, the small pop-ups that appear when you hover over data points. Tooltips can provide extra context about your data. Customize their background color, border color, and font color to match your chart's theme. You can also format the content to show dynamic data like values, percentages, or even custom messages. With tooltips, you can add interactivity to your chart, helping users understand the data with a simple hover. We've covered a lot of customization options for your CanvasJS charts, from adjusting titles and subtitles, styling data points, to fine-tuning axis labels, tooltips, and more. The ability to customize each element gives you complete control over your chart's look and feel. Experiment with these features to create charts that not only look great but also communicate data effectively. Now that you've learned how to customize your CanvasJS charts, it's time to put these skills into practice. Explore different combinations of colors, fonts, and styles to match your unique design. Don't forget to check out CanvasJS documentation for more advanced features. Happy charting, and make your data shine. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and that you're now ready to take your CanvasJS charts to the next level. With these customization techniques, You can create visually stunning and interactive charts for any project. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or drop your comments below. Happy charting!